Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing both devices. First, make sure your PC has Windows 10 or 11, at least 4 GB RAM and a 2 GHz processor. This prevents stutter. Next, install a compatible Android emulator or set up Android x86 in a VM so you can run Android apps. On the phone, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This lets your PC communicate directly. Once done, connect the phone via USB or set up ADB over TCP to continue. Now install Android Auto or a Mirror App APK inside the emulator or VM so the app can run like on a phone. Use ADB to bridge devices. Run a DB devices, switch to TCP mode with a DB TCPIP 5555 or connect directly with a DB Connect IP 5555. Make sure you accept USB debugging prompts on the phone. Also configure the emulator's audio and input pass-through so microphone, GPS, or touch input are available. These steps let Auto behave correctly. Finish by launching Android Auto inside the emulator and selecting car mode. If you need voice calls or media, pair Bluetooth or route audio through the PC. Adjust screen scaling and input latency in emulator settings so touch and gestures feel natural. If the app won't start or audio fails, restart ADB, toggle USB debugging on the phone, and reinstall the APK if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: always check a DB device's lists and reconnect. Most connectivity problems come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.